Favorite blonde and brunette duo. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Alien John YTT, and then from here you have to go at trending from highlights, and you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers, so you can check these two. So there we have it, favorite blonde and brunette duo. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads and choose the desired photo. I will go with this one with Selena Gomez and Taylor Swift. You can place your photo where you want, and you can even add photo with you and your best friend if you are blonde and your best friend is brunette. So after that, click on the share to your story, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.